Auto-number text in nanoCAD using TCOUNT. TCOUNT introduced in nanoCAD 26. Quickly number texts in rows or columns. Type TCOUNT, select texts, press enter. Add as prefix, suffix, or replace text. Also access it from text menu, then auto numbering of text. Select text rows or columns, then choose numbering order X or Y. Here we select Y, then press enter. Enter start number and interval, example 1 and 2, press enter. Choose position, overwrite, prefix, suffix, or find and replace. For demonstration purpose, let us first select the overwrite option. You will find all the texts in rows are replaced with the numbers. Similarly, for demonstration purpose, if we undo the previous operation and again select the suffix option, the numbers will be added to the end of the texts. Also access it from text menu, then auto numbering of text. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.